Now let's make some cheese, gluten-free, no sugar added, muffins. Or like, actually these are gonna be more like cut into squares, like a cornbread or something. I'll put the correct recipe in, but I'm just gonna make this up as I go. This time I've used, because I used all the cottage cheese to make the other things today, and I'm just kind of baking stuff today. So I've used Vanilla Pro, Oikos Greek yogurt. So I put that in here already, a cup of that. I'm gonna put 4 eggs in. This is gonna go into a square pan. Actually, it's gonna be going into a rectangular shaped pan, lined with parchment paper. Oh, shoot. 4. Okay. A lot of mozzarella cheese. Actually, I'm gonna put that in a minute. I'm gonna put the egg white protein powder in first. Let's do 1, 2, 3 scoops of that. I'm actually just going to do a couple tablespoons. 1, 2. Salt. This is sea salt, paprika, garlic salt, and onion powder, just a little bit. What is this? Onion powder, and a little smoked paprika. I think this is new. There. Ew. Don't do this at home. Got paper. Come on. Smoked paprika. Just a little bit. I have a feeling I'm just going to mix this stuff up. And then I'll add the mozzarella cheese because I'm going to use quite a bit of mozzarella cheese and almond flour in this. Not a lot of almond flour, but a lot of mozzarella cheese. Because these are savory. These are not the sweet muffins. This is a savory, like I said, like a savory, gluten-free, I don't know what you go, square biscuit. Probably should use a spatula with this. I mean, a whisk. So you would probably want to use a whisk. I just had this in here, so I'm using this. All right, let's get some almond flour first. Let's go with just a little bit of almond flour. I really don't want to do too much in here. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3, 4. So 4 tablespoons. Let's do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. This up. I can smell the seasonings. It's actually nice. It's got a nice savory seasoning flavor. I mean, scent to it. Sort of cheese square. Put a lot of this in. If I had to guess, I'm probably putting, let's see, this has, I think this has 8 cups. Yeah, this has 8 cups in it, and so I'm probably gonna put 3 cups of cheese. Yeah, let's do that. Another good thing you can do, and this is sweet potato, and I do have a fresh sweet potato right here, but I'm gonna use it in a meat dish. So if it's too cheesy for your taste, because this is basically like an egg batter with cheese and some baking powder and seasonings, and you know, it's just put more milk and more almond flour, which actually I think I'm gonna do myself, just because it's a little too cheesy to show you. See, it's like almost a little too, let me see if I can get that to show you. So it's almost like just too much like cheese coated in an egg. So let's just put a couple tablespoons, 1, 2, a couple tablespoons of almond milk, a tad bit more of almond flour, okay, I put probably another 3 tablespoons of almond flour in. And I'm not going to add any more egg yolk powder. We're going to leave that alone. And I'm not going to do any more egg, I think. I was thinking about doing it, but I'm not going to. Yeah, I think this is good. Perfectly fine. Just super cheesy. Just shove that down in there. You can kind of see what I'm doing. Shove that down in there. Some big poofy clouds moving in. Well, we might get rain, huh? All right, let's pour this in. I've got 2 little puppies thinking they're getting something. What you doing? You want more treats? Okay, we're almost done, and then we'll go for a WALK. Okay, let's get this poured in here. Oh, I need to do my edges real quick. Hang on. It's a real pain in the neck if I don't. I'm just gonna tear. Just tear the edges. I know, let's just tear them. If we don't. All right. Good enough. So if I don't do these edges, which I'll show you, this is such a easy trick. So I'll show you. So like if I don't tear the edges so that they fold, so all I've done is tear this. See, that's it. I just tore it. You can see this one. I just do a little tear down and then it sits in so that it makes a rectangular shape. If I don't do that, the batter gets really weird. Normally I cut it, but it's no big deal. Just tear it. Like today, I'd like charms because they're magically delicious. All right, let's just throw that in there. Yeah, this pretty much looks like egg-coated mozzarella cheese, but I promise it turns into a bread, an edible bread of sorts. Let's go put it in the oven, 350 for 25-ish minutes. Time to take the cheesy bread out. So you can see, it turns into this really yummy golden brown, cheesy. Those are the chocolate peanut butter muffins. This is really fun cheesy bread. It's kind of firm, you can see here. Okay, we're just gonna let that cool for probably, this one will probably cool for at least 15-20 minutes. All right, let's talk cheese bread. Wrong knife. Right knife. Okay, cheesy bread. See, cheesy bread. Pull it right off. Shh, come here, Fancy. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's probably just, Fancy, honey, it's probably just a turkey. Okay, it's cutting really well, but I need to get it Fancy. Hang on. Fancy, what is it, baby? What do you see? Cash, what do you see? What is it? What is it, honey? What do you see, little girl? She's so cute. She'll come sit right next to her brother. Is that your big brother? That's big. He's big protection, huh? bread came out really nice. I like it. I'm a big fan of parchment paper because cheesy bread comes right, easily comes right off, it doesn't stick. Okay, so this is definitely, remember this is a lot of mozzarella cheese. Great little savory muffin. And I'll show you, it's pretty cheesy. Let me see if I can get it to show. See, pretty cheesy. But it's very good. And it's got enough bready, like bread consistency, as well as cheese. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good.